All right, 313, attempt 2. Interpret the remainder. So, working word problems here, but I guess interpreting, there'll be division, as you would probably expect here to an extent. We've talked again last year about the process, reading it, making sure above all else you know what exactly you're solving for. What are you doing? These types of problems over here, it's not out of the realm of possibility that there'll be multiple steps. That word problem that we did with the pants, that's a good type of problem. It seems like it would fall in this type of area of the book. So be mindful, be aware, just make sure you know what you're doing here. Number 1, radio station planning a 12.5-kilometer walk for a fundraiser goal, $98,003. Don't ask me about that. Who has that for? The pledge is $1.50 per kilometer. How many people will need to walk 12.5 kilometers to reach or surpass the goal? So a lot of things going on here. And they kind of outline here that 12.5 kilometer walk. What is it? $1.50 per kilometer. And then they want to get their $98,003. And again, I'm just looking right here at the book, but they kind of walk through it step by step here. But what do we need to figure out first? First thing you should probably figure out is how much money each person is worth. Kind of a weird way to say it, but each person, $1.50 per kilometer. The whole thing is 12.5 kilometers. Multiply that out. What do I get here? 0, 5, 12, 6, 0, 0, 5, 2, 1, 0, 5, 7, 8, 1. $187.50. Anybody agree with that? Did I do it right? Yes. So if you get $1.50 per kilometer and you walk 12.5 kilometers, it doesn't seem right here, does it? I would say 18. That doesn't seem reasonable to me. $18.75 seems more reasonable. Would we agree with that? Maybe. So each person makes $18.75, one person, right? So 2 people, multiply that times 2 would make $37.50. But the question is, how many people do we need to get $98,003? So what I need to do, I know each person is worth $18.75. And I need a grand total of $98,003. So that's right. Get to divide this here. So move the decimal 2 spots to the right. Move the decimal 2 spots to the right. It's basically 1,875 and 9,800,300. I will spare us. We could do that. The first number is 5. But work it all the way out. You would get 5,226 with the remainder of 1,550. Awesome, huh? Wouldn't that be fun to work that out? I assure you the ones in the homework and the rest of them this lesson are not nearly this ridiculous. So don't think this is how it's going to be. This is not. Again, it would take us 10 minutes to work all that division out. But there it is. So how many people do I need? I need 5,226 with the remainder of 1,000, because remember, I was dividing by 1,875, right? So that's a fair remainder. How many people do I need to raise $98,003? Huh?
5,226. Is it the remainder?
Well, 5,226, just to help us out here. $18.75 each, right? 5,226. 5,000 after we divide times the $18.75. That is $97,987.50. But I need $98,003. So are 5,226 people enough to get the job done? No, because I need, this isn't, either I got a whole person, I can't have this part of a person. I can't have a remainder of a person. Right? I just can't. So this needs to be a person. I need 5,227 people. And again, if I do it, 5,227, they're all $18.75. Oh, that's not right. 5,227 times 1875, $98,006.25. So that's enough. Obvious, I'll have $3.25 extra, right? But again, everybody's $18.75. That's the increment we're counting by. So I can't land on this exact number, right? So to meet the goal, I need this many people. See how I did that? Okay. Number 2. I don't want to do a ton of these. I do want to give you some time to work today. But on your own, take a shot at it. Number 2. It says each touring van will accommodate 22 people. Much more reasonable math this time. If one group has 170 people, how many vans will the group need? One van holds 22 people. I have 170 people. How many vans do I need? Give you a moment here. Pull a stick. Tell me how many vans you think I need. Question?
I don't even understand what you said right now. Try to do this seems too easy.
Okay, let's see what a couple of you think here. How many vans do I need, Roland? Roland, come on. Well, I want to give you guys some time to do some other things here, but if we're going to waste it just waiting to solve problems, then there will not be a lot of time to do other work. You know, some of you have 2 homeworks, the one to do tonight, plus the practice. Time is good.
3 homeworks.
Yeah. I want to get through a few of these. I didn't think 22 divided by 1/7 was a ball buster.
8.
8. How'd you get it?
I just did 22 into 1/7.
And how many times does it go into it?
8.
I think so. What's 8 times 22?
I got 170. Or no, I got 176.
8 times 2 is 176. That doesn't subtract from 1. Too big.
Yeah, I read in those. So it go into it 7 times.
7.
So then be 154.
Uh-huh. So how many vans do I need?
Do you need
Exactly. I need 8 vans because 22 times 7 is 154. What about the other 16 people? Where are they going? So we need an 8th van. The 8th van will not be filled with 22 people. There'll only be 16 in it. But that's okay. I can't get there with 7 vans. So interpreting the remainder, you got it. Okay. I want to do 2 more here, and then I'm done. Try number 3. Again, this one's a little different. 225 dignitaries are invited to a parade. There are 3 reviewing stands. Each stand seats 70 people. How many extra chairs will be needed to seat all the dignitaries? Take too long. What? I guess. It's because I gotta deal with these things. Okay. How many extra chairs did I need? You can just give me a final answer. That's all I want. Stella, how many chairs? 15. Ella?
15.
All right. Noah? 10. Lauren?
I got, wait 1 second, I'm just up.
George? 15. So 15 cent. Roland?
15.
15 is correct. Anybody that got 15, can you explain it? Yeah, Ella, you were up first. How'd you get 15?
70 divided by 225. And I got 3, but then there's a remainder of 15. So that remainder is how many chairs extra.
Yeah, nice job to all that read it that way. That is exactly what it's asking us. This time the answer is whatever the remainder is. 225 people, chairs 70, 140. I got 210 of them can sit in the, but what about the other 15? Well, I need to pull out 15 more chairs. 210 can sit in 1, 2, or 3, whatever section, but 15 more, not enough room. Guess we need 15 chairs.
I did 70 times 3 and then 225 times, or, yeah.
Yeah, just like Ella explained it, that's all that is here. 4 is a ton of fun, but it's really long, sadly. So I guess the last one we'll do is 5. More time, we would do 4 and 6, but this is it. So I'll give you at least some time to do something. So this one, I guess, has some, I guess we'll call it hidden information that you need to process out. There's a number in there that's not explicitly given to you, but you should know what it is. I hope. Festival organizers plan to have 170 fireworks set off at night. Cool. Show's going to last half an hour. Same number of firecrackers go off each minute. How many would that be? If we want the exact same number of fireworks each minute, how many fireworks every minute are we going to have? Question? You guys are all
Is this the
looking
last
at that?
one?
Yeah.
So what's the hidden piece of information I need to know, or the hidden number, Lauren?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, that is correct. You need to understand half hour is 30 minutes. And therefore, once you know that, this should be your problem that you're ultimately solving here. So I guess the challenge is, did you convert half hour to 30 minutes? I hope so. But then you would end up 5 with a remainder of 20. So the question is, if the same number of firecrackers go off each minute, how many should we launch every minute? How many?
10,
No?
17, 85.
What are you guys looking at here?
I'm looking at this.
This is the problem that we're talking about here. Where are these numbers coming from? They have 170 fireworks, 30-minute show. Same number of firecrackers every minute. So the first minute, how many firecrackers? No, it's solved it. We have 170 firecrackers every 30 minutes. We use 5 because 5 the first minute, then the second minute's 10, the third minute, the fourth minute, the 30th minute, I've used 150. I would chew 5, not 6. I can't do 6 because 6 times 30, I would need 180 firecrackers then to launch them at 6 a minute, right? For 30 minutes. Every minute I'm launching the same number. I can't do 6, 6, 6 for 30 minutes because I need 180 firecrackers, right? Work. But 5, so basically what's telling me here is how many can I do every minute? 5. I'd use 150, but I'd still have 20 left over at the end. But the question is, how many can I set off each minute? 5. That's the answer. 5. There are 20 left over. Not really the question. The question is, I want to shoot off the exact same number every minute. How many is that? Ain't 6 because I won't have enough. I'm 10 short. So that's not going to work. So 5 it must be. I will have 20 left over, but 5, 5, 5, 5, I can do that for 30 minutes. Okay? Homework, page 32, or not 32, where is it there? 30, that's not even the right book. Whatever page, you know what to do. Page, probably 1 through 8. Usually there's 8 of them on these pages. Right? 313. I'll pause something. Okay.